Next, do you trade gold? Oh my god, that question is really technical. My highest losses in Forex came from gold. My followers have dropped tons and tons of questions for me to answer. So in this video, I will be answering to all those questions, and I'll be answering them in details, meaning you're going to learn a lot. We're going to show practical examples if any question here requires practical example. Hey guys, I am Emilia Bejanem, aka FX Value. Welcome to my channel. I am the soft life trader and I always make forex make sense. So on today's edition, I will be answering some forex questions that my followers have asked me on Instagram. You're going to learn a lot from my insights, from everything I have to say. So don't forget to like this video, drop a comment for me, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss an episode I drop. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let's take the first question. Double Pips FX is asking, Amy, how old were you when you started trading? Okay, I started learning how to trade in 2024. Yeah, March 2024. I registered at Forex Academy for the March session, and in 2024 I was 21 years old. Yeah, so I've been trading for approximately 2026 is in few days. So I'll be 23 in 2026. So that's 2 years into trading. Yeah, so I've been trading for 2 years now approximately, and I started trading when I was 21 years old. Yeah. Next question. 100k profit account or $250 personal account? I mean, this is a very tricky question because trading a profit personally, right? I love trading profits. Yeah, but then profits will test your discipline as a trader, but then it won't familiarize you with money. Are you getting? So I would prefer you fund your $250, your $100, and then trade it. Familiarize your emotions with money management first. Yeah, before you want to purchase a profit and then trade it now diligently. Remember, trading your life account, you already know the value of money. You will not use any uncalculated lot size. You already know how to manage your risks because you know that, okay, if I fumble, if I do anyhow, I will lose real money. Are you getting? Yeah, you will lose real money. So having trading a life account, you have familiarized yourself with the emotions of money management. After that, you can now purchase a profit, be it 5k, 10k, 15k, 25k, 50k, 100k. If you purchase it, you're going to trade it now diligently because profit will teach you discipline. You must have this number of trading days. You must your daily drawdown must not exceed this. Your overall drawdown, your profit target. So profit teaches you discipline. But I prefer you start with a live account, even if it's just little funding. Like fund it little, trade it, familiarize yourself with the money management emotions before getting the profit. Profits are really good, but live account first. It's better. Next, do you trade gold? Oh my god, that question is really technical. My highest losses in Forex came from gold. So I have just kept gold aside. I mean, I am a great currency pair trader. I love trading currency pairs. USD card, my fave, GBP, USD, Euro, USD. I mean, those are my pairs, yeah. So gold is really good, volatile, liquidity there is massive, but then gold gave me heartbreak, so I am not there for now. Yeah. Next, how do you break even when trading any pair? All right, from the name, break even. Break even is like, okay, the midpoint. You're not losing anything and you're not winning anything. But now I always put mine in my head. I'm like, breaking even can mean two things. First, when let's say you have received a particular signal, the signal is running in profit, and you receive a trading update that break even on this trade. It means when you have placed your stop loss, you should remove your stop loss from where you have placed it and take it to your entry level. Example, let's say, okay, I eventually take this trade, I get my confirmation, then I eventually take this trade on USD card. Where this red line ends, that's my stop loss, and I'm hoping to have my confirmation entry here where the red line ends, right? So if I eventually place this particular trade, my TP is here, my stop loss is here, and this is my entry price. And now I send another update that okay, break even, move stop loss to your entry. It means you remove your stop loss price, you're going to exit it and put back your entry. That is, you're going to put the price at your entry, meaning the risk on that trade now is zero. Perfect. So that is breaking even. Next, another way to break even is, let's say okay, my trade is going to my direction. USD card has started buying. It has bought like 50% of my TP, right? I'm going to remove stop loss from where it was, and I'll place it at the 50% price, right? Meaning, even if the trade wants to go against me, I must have secured partial profit. So that's the two ways you can use to break even. The next question, this person said, interested in learning Forex trading, what is required? I mean, if you're interested in learning Forex trading, the first thing that you need to have is knowledge, right? And you need to have an open mind. Like, accept that this Forex skill, after learning it, after practicing it, I can become a billionaire, right? Like, look at the brighter side of it. Have that positive mindset about it first. But if you come and your mindset is myopic, you see it as a get rich quick scheme, it won't work. So the first thing, you need to have a positive mindset. Next, you need to seek knowledge. Look for somebody or somewhere that you can learn from legitimately, that you can learn the truth from, right? Yeah, so that's the first. After that, learn it now. Devote your time, energy, consistency, and learn it. Then you practice it. I mean, you're going to enjoy trading. Yeah. The next question, this person is asking, how can I start Forex without knowledge? How can you become a medical doctor without going to school? How can you become an accountant without going to school and then practicing the skill? It can't work. You can never do Forex, right? You can never ever do Forex and succeed without having knowledge. Even the Bible says seek for knowledge. So you must seek it. Like, you must be knowledgeable in that particular field. You must know Forex. Like, you must learn it like a subject in school. Then you practice it. Then you apply it on the charts and watch yourself win. So you must have knowledge. There are no other two ways, unless you want to be copying somebody's signal. Even to copy signals, you need to know how to, right? Because it's not every signal you must copy. I have a good question here. Did your failures at the start discourage you, and did you fail many times before starting to win? I have actually lost. Like, I don't like talking about my profits, right? But I do share my setups. You see my wins. You see my winning trades. Like, but you don't see the amount I have made. I like it that way. Don't calculate my wealth. Yeah. But then I have had a couple of losses, but it did not stop me, because I mean, I already have it at the back of my mind that the Forex market, as at the last time I checked, runs $6.6 trillion a day. I mean, that's a lot of money for you, family, friends, enemies, everybody, right? So just the potentials of me actually learning this particular skill and then winning and being exposed to all that liquidity kept me going. So don't be discouraged. If you lose $100, $50, $1,000, learn from that particular mistake, because you should know why you lost. You should know why this particular trade did not go your direction. Maybe you had an impulse entry. Maybe you did not wait for all your confluences to click before you actually press the buy or press the sell. You see this particular trade, like my confirmations, all of them, they must be checked before I will press buy, no matter what. So avoid impulse. Yeah, because impulse makes you, when you have losing trades, you tend to feel really bad. Yeah. So identify why you're experiencing losses and try to work on them. It could be revenge. Yeah, it could be you're someone that when you make losses, you don't want to accept it. You want to revenge against the market. And the moment you start revenging, that's when the market will swallow all your capital. So you should avoid that. It could be over trading. You're experiencing losses because you tend to over trade. You don't know when to stop. That's why it's good to have a trading plan. I think I'll do a detailed video on how I drew my trading plan here. So if you have a trading plan, you know that I should not exceed 3 trades a day. I should not exceed 5 trades a week, right? So it keeps you disciplined, intact, and your sanity is still okay. So regardless of the challenges that you face at the beginning, do not give up on trading because you will win. And you need to be part of the $6.6 trillion that the market runs daily. Yeah. Another question is, you're beautiful, marry me. Oh my god, I'll only marry a profitable trader. Right, yeah. Next, this person says, please, what is the best strategy to use? When it comes to that, I am a price action trader, pure price action trader. I know price action has like other branches like support and resistance, trend line, candlestick confirmations, chart patterns, and the rest. So all of that I just add all, but all falls under price action. No matter what, SMC, ICT, all of those other names, I don't really know them. I just trade my price action. Keep it simple and understandable. I mean, if it works, then stick to it. Yeah, so I am a price action trader. That's what I trade. Yeah. And price action is the king. I mean, price action tells you what price has done in the past to predict what price will do in the future. Just like let me show you a clear price action example. When it comes to USD card, I've noticed that from my backtest, USD card always forms chart patterns, especially the head and shoulder, either inverted or the head and shoulder pattern. So this is the inverted head and shoulder pattern that was formed sometime in November, and the same thing is happening here. Like it's giving the same movement. Sell, you see, so it's giving the same. So price action tells you what price has done in the past to predict what price will do in the future. And when we see an inverted head and shoulder pattern forms, what do we do? We look for buy opportunities at the neckline. The same thing is about happening here. That is why it's one of my confluences as to why I'm looking for a buy on USD card, because it has formed something like an inverted head and shoulder pattern here. Next, we have a question. What capital changed things for you after becoming profitable consistently? What capital changed things for me? $1,000. Yeah. So my brother funded me a live account. Yeah, my brother funded me a $1,000 live account, and can you believe that that's the account that I am still trading now? Yeah, so I've never blown that particular account because I'm like, that's my brother's money. My brother invested in me. Yeah, so I have been trading that particular account. I've been making profits, making losses, but I keep the account turning. Every day I wake up and I see that particular account live and working money. Yeah, so that $1,000 that my brother deposited, it meant the world to me then, because I really needed it then. But the money that I used to start, like the amount that I funded my first live account was $50. Yeah. The next, when traders say it took them 3 years, does it mean all those 3 years they never withdrew? Good question. Because I mean, when I post that, okay, I'm a Forex trader, I've been trading for Forex for approximately 2 years, people are like, it means I am not yet profitable. I don't get it. I mean, if you get into a particular skill and you learn it, you devote your time, energy, and you start seeing results, it's a win for me. I thank God for that, right? So because every other person is taking 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, it doesn't mean a million should take 10 years, right? Our journeys are different. Another person could take months. Master it. If your IQ is that high and you are blessed and you are willing to devote the time, energy, the consistency, everything, you win in trading faster, right? Yeah, so that is it. But I don't think people who say it took them 3 years, they have never withdrawn money. I mean, they have, but maybe they have a particular target that they were aiming for, but they haven't gotten it yet. So that's it. The next, how can I stay patient as a Forex trader? I mean, just say to yourself that I want to be patient. I need to be patient. One thing about me that I don't joke with is I'm a very patient and a risk management trader. Like, I will emphasize again, if this trade does not hit my confirmation, I will leave it there. I will not trade. I will do other things, right? So I must have that particular confirmation. So once you've set your mind that I must have a confirmation before I take any move, you will be naturally patient, because that money that you want to reach, that $1,000 that you want to reach on that particular trade, is it not paying you? If that money matters to you, right, you will be patient and wait for that A plus setup before you press that buy and press that sell. Yeah. So I always say, if you love money, if you value money, if you know your money management, you'll be a naturally patient trader. Yeah. Next, do you think trading life is harder than trading prop firms? Risk management wise, I've answered this already. How do you handle your losing days? I mean, I do have losses, but my losses are not too big because, like I said, I am a risk management trader. Days where I eat, days where I chop stop loss. What do? I just relax, like I stay off the chart because if I hit stop loss, I know why. Maybe I ignored a fundamental news that was coming. Maybe there was a particular candlestick confirmation that okay, I did not consider. Like I should know why I have hit stop loss. That is after the loss has happened. Yeah. So if I hit stop loss, I'll just stay away from the chart. I'll drink milk. I listen to music. I watch my Korean drama, and I'm chilled. And I'm okay. Tomorrow I try it again. I'll just journal that particular loss that on this day I hit stop loss because of this, that. Shouldn't do it again. Simple. That's all. And I keep going. Yeah. And it happens that way because I risk what I am comfortable losing. That is the hack. We should always risk what we are comfortable losing. So when you lose money, you will not call Forex a scam. When you lose more money, you will not run mad. You are still going to be, your sanity is still going to be intact. Let's take one more question. Okay, we have a good question here. So J Forever is asking, Amy, could you tell us about your trading journey? I just need motivation. Oh, okay. So my journey is quite an inspirational one, and it shows resilience. It shows a lot. Yeah. So I started learning how to trade in 2024. That was the first year, first year of my master's degree program. It was really tough, and since I couldn't attend physical classes at the FN Forex Academy, I went in for the online course. So the online course was really good. It was really nice, but I could not really focus. So I tried to have a skill of preference because masters, the first year, it's going to drain you. Like it drained me. It took my time, energy, strength, everything, because I'll go to school at 8 a.m. and I'll come back at 5 p.m. I'm really tired and stuff. I need to do my research, assignments, project, presentations, everything was just overwhelming then. But I had to set my scale of preference. So I decided that after school I'll rest, catch up with contents, then at night, midnight, right, I'll go through the online course and I'll jot down my understandings, I'll jot down my worries, and then get to my mentor. Mr. Even Forex, ask him, say, explain this, please, I didn't get this and stuff. So I really had to push myself extra because I really loved it. The worst was when I heard that the Forex market runs $6.6 trillion a day. My love for money, like I really love to be empowered and to have money because I have a lot of responsibilities. Like my purpose in life requires me to have so much money. Yeah. So when I heard that Forex has money like that, I said I must learn this, right? And alongside masters, I will prioritize everything. Education, Forex, content, and stuff. I set everything on a perfect scale of preference, and here I am now. I have my master's degree, I graduated well, and I have learned Forex. And with this particular Forex, learning never ends. Like you keep learning and learning, you keep gaining edges, you keep finding your strategy, you keep perfecting everything. I mean, when you keep seeking for knowledge, you just keep getting better. So my journey was quite a very nice one. My journey was something that I could handle. And when I started trading, I traded demo. I traded demo for like 5 months. Yeah, I traded demo because like I really wanted to practice everything I have learned. That is why I always say beginners should not don't skip stage. Practice demo. Don't be ashamed to trade demo. Trade it. Practice everything you have learned. If you have learned about marking key levels, continue marking. If you have learned about